Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an AI receptionist for a dental practice. So before I jump into the build, guys, I want to give you guys some value, just some value so you guys can actually see what these type of agents are able to do within a dental practice. However, it's not limited to. So um, these type of agents have 24/7 availability. They are available 24/7. Patients can schedule appointments, inquire about services, or even have assistance with outside of business hours. These agents are also cost effective. They reduce labor costs, and they're also very scalable. You enhance customer experience. This is a big one. Customer experience is a big thing. Then also we have something that's also plays a big role within a business is that uh, human error. So this reduces the human error factor. So what I mean by that is that when, let's just say as an example, where the receptionist actually has a double booking or creates a double booking by mistake and unintentionally creating a double booking, that creates a problem. So with this, with the AI having this, the AI wouldn't have this type of issue because it will obviously it will scan through the entire calendar and obviously take the next available date. So it never creates a double booking. It also has a multilingual support system. So it's able to speak in any language. So let's say, for example, you have someone that's speaking French, and this AI picks up that the person is able to, or the person speaking French, and the AI is able to adapt and actually speak in that language as well. Another thing that is also a big thing, and I feel would play a big role, would be the staff burnout. So with having an AI in your business, it never gets tired. It will run 24 hours a day, 365 days a year without getting tired or without breaking the sweat. So this is what brings me to the the level up that you see on screen as well. I put this on screen because there's only 15% of dental practices globally that is currently adapting or has adapted to this type of technology. In the late 2020s, let's say from now, 2025, up until let's say 2030, the guys who adopt to this type of technology early is going to have a massive competitive edge compared to those who adapt late. Food for thought, guys. Food for thought. So I want to carry on and show you guys what we expect from this agent today. So what this poll is going to contain and how this poll is going to be taking place. So this is what we are going to be wanting from the agent. So we have the task over here and the function. So what this is going to be is this is our core functions and core tasks that this agent needs to do. So under task and function, we have number one, to book an appointment, to check for the availability. These two should be swapped in places, but okay. Then we have client information. So this is where we need to get the actual client's information. So full name, phone number, and an email address. Once that is completed, there is something else that I would like to add into this agent as well. However, I might not add it into the agent. I'll see how it goes. So I might want to add an upsell. However, I'll see how the ball goes. So once this is complete over here, we move on to the next step, which should be to check the calendar availability. Once the availability has been checked, we then go on and book the appointment with the client. So once the patient's appointment is booked, we then send them an email with the confirmation and the specific day and time that the appointment has been booked for. And then I just have this that I would like to show you guys as well. So this is my checklist. This is my personal checklist I use to build my agents. This is just a workflow that I follow, which makes it easier for me to create the agent. So we will have the prompt over on what we will begin with. Then we will move over to the function, which will be checking the availability and then obviously building out the section over here. And then we have the knowledge base as well. So when it comes to the knowledge base, I will be copying and pasting that into the knowledge base function, but I will be showing you guys that as well. So the prompt and the knowledge base will be in the description below, and I will leave some links in there as well with regards to the check availability and book appointment, and show you guys I'll show you guys step by step how to add that into your prompt or into the actual task. So yeah, the prompt I will leave in the description below, as well as the knowledge base. So if you do want to, if you do follow along, follow this video, and you want to build this up yourself, you are more than welcome to. You will have the prompt and you will have the knowledge base as well. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to jump straight into building this agent now. So I've already built, I've built one out already. So this is just, let me show you guys how this is going to work. So we are using retail AI once again. It's actually took a liking to this platform, and it's really cool to work on. So we go over to create a new agent. We move over to single prompt because this is a single prompt agent. Then we go to start from blank. Cool. So this is the dashboard once again. So let's just change this to Windows Dental. I'm going to be keeping the model as GPT-4o. I am going to change the name though. I would like to use this voice. Okay, that's changed. So we're going to keep it as English for this video as well. So moving on to the prompt. I use a prompt structure that is easier for me to use. So I'll show you guys how to use it. This will also be in the description below. It just makes things more easier, and it simplifies a lot of stuff as well. We will see how it goes along. So on the top we have role. So this is the role of the agent. This is the role the agent will be playing from the get-go. So let's say, okay, so you are Nina. You are a AI digital receptionist. Oh. Hey. At Neighbors Dental. Okay, so this is the what we have for the prompt so far, and then this is, let's just carry on with it. So your role is to assist patients. Oh, my spelling is not spelling today. With any questions or inquiries they might have. And book and help them. Let's say and help them. Okay, no, let's leave us for the second one. Then let's move on to task. So over here we will say your other role would be to book a appointment for patients. Oh, my spelling is very my spelling today. Then we have over here only ask one question at a time, and then we will move on from there. So this is just basically giving the AI basic instructions of what to do, and then let's move on to listen carefully to. Okay, let's just leave it as listen carefully, and then we will move on over to listen carefully. What else can give me? Okay. Ask the patient first time visiting Rivers Dental. I'll fix all the spelling errors once this is finished. Then we'll move on. So what I like to do is I like to prompt it to where someone opens up the call and says, let's say for example, I am Sam and I would like to do a DeFi thing. I just like to have this section as confirming what they actually said in the beginning. So I just like to say, please confirm with the patient if the service they had mentioned in the start of the call is what they are looking for only. Let's put this in caps. Only ask us if they have mentioned a service in the document. Cool, moving on. So after each question, let's say pause. Let's change this. Let's say take a pause after asking each question and wait for the patient to reply before answering, or let's say before confirming. Yeah. Then let's take this up. Let's keep it as that. Cool. Let's move on to the next one. So let's say ask the patient which day and time they would like. Oh, let's think through this. Ask it. We're gonna group patient. Yeah. Which day and time would be best for them. Once this information has been given to you, the patient will are checking for availability for that day. Take a pause before confirming if available. Oh, okay, let's go. So, if the requested day and time is available, put the patient into that time slot. If not, available. So provide the patient with only the next 3 to 5 available slots. Once the patient confirmed, ask the following details. Full name and file. Delete those and just ask for the first name. Okay, so they ask for the first name. No, that's it. So some people would say the first name in the beginning of the call, some people won't. Okay, let's leave it as this. So let's ask for the first name and if they could spell it back to you. So I'll give them an example as well. So my name is Raiz. Or a see. Once this information has been given to you, ask for the last name. Okay, so let's just do this. Okay, yeah. Ask for the last name and if they could spell it back to you. Then we will have, let me paste this example in over here as well. So take that over there. I'll just give an example. Once this has been confirmed, ask the patient for the phone number and email address and then spell the email to you. Cool. So we have that over there. I think that should be okay for now. And then let's move on. So we will have that, and then we have context. Let's move this up a bit so you guys can see. We have context. I won't be adding any context into this agent. Then we have the business. So this I'm just going to copy and paste from what I already had. Like I said, you guys will have these documents in the description below. So this is just basically about Weber Dental. So yeah, let's paste that in over there. So just add another. Okay. And then what we have next is, let's do this. So what we do. Again, I'm going to copy and paste this as well. Okay, so for those of you who are probably wondering what these things are or why I'm doing my prompt like this is called Markdown formatting, and this is a basically it's an easy way for the AI to understand what you're actually telling it to do. So I am okay, and I'm happy with this so far. And then lastly, over here we should have notes. And then we have notes. Cool. So I'll leave that like that for now. And then over here. So the welcome message, I want the AI to speak first before anything else. So let's just give this a quick test. We didn't do something. There's something that we didn't add in here. Cool. So you will always start the call by saying, "Hi, saying hello, this is Nina. Thank you for calling Apple Dental. How can I assist you today?" Let's say, let's do this again. Hi Nina, my name is Sam, and I'd just like to book an appointment with you guys. Yes, yes, it is. Um, I think tomorrow at 5 p.m. if you have availability. Yes, if you don't mind. So that's how it sounds now. We did hear the AI actually say the word pause. We don't want that during the call, so let's add in something over here. Do not say the word pause to the patient. So let's just give it some space. Cool. Okay. So moving on to the next step now. So the next step is the functions. So this is what the function that we're going to be using. So to add a new function, all you do is do the drop down, click add, and this is the functions. These are the two functions that we're going to be using. So what we need to do is we need to check availability, calendar availability, and we also need to do book on calendar. So let's do the check availability first. So this is what we're going to be using. So we need to use Kyle.com. So if you guys don't have a Kyle.com account, make one. This integrates with retail really easily and also uses Google Calendars as well. So it's an easy way for Google Calendar to actually um, integrate with retail AI. So what we're going to be doing is, so I already have this account over here. So I'm going to be doing a new one for you guys. I'll show you guys how to do it. So what retail is wanting from us would be the API key and the event ID as well. This we're going to leave like that for now. So we need to go to API keys. So you can just go and create a new one. So we go to the add. So let's call this Weber Dental check. Yeah, let's leave it as that. So this can either be, you can either turn this on to expire or you can leave it on like that. It doesn't, it's really up to you. Then what we'll do is we'll click save. We'll copy this over here. Click done. We'll go over here and we will copy that in over there. So once this is in and under the API key, what we'll then do, we'll go back over here. We will then go to, we will go back. So we will wait for the events to open any day now. So over here we can either pick pick a 15-minute meeting or a 30-minute meeting. That's entirely up to you. So let's just go with let's do the 15-minute event just in case. So the event ID that we're going to be needing are these numbers over here. So you go over there to the taskbar and obviously we just copy and paste the numbers. Go back over here, copy and paste, and click save. And that is how you create check calendar availability. And then what we're going to be doing next, so we're going to be doing the same thing, just for a different URL. So we're going to be going in over here again, moving back over to cal.com, creating another API key. Oh, come on. So we'll add another one. And this one we're going to say Weber Dental Booking. Let's say save. Let's copy that as well. And let's just go back over here in the meantime. So what we'll do is over here, we'll paste this in here. Go back over. So we need to get the event ID now as well. So let's get that. So we'll choose the 15-minute one like we did with the previous one. And then what we'll do is the event ID. Go over there and go paste and we'll save. And that is that. So let's move on to the knowledge base. So like I said, the knowledge base I have already built out for this. This will be in the description below. So you literally just come over to knowledge base, click on add, and there you go. So that is that. So let's double check this. Let's check the availability. Cool. So the availability is there. What I want to do now is I want to set up a workflow. So this workflow is to send the email confirmation once the booking has been confirmed. So let's do this. So let's say booking confirmation. So when a new event is booked, and I should do send to attendees. Yep, I'm just gonna leave it as that. And then let's include the event ID. So you can add anything that you want over here. I'm just gonna leave this blank for now like that. And then you click save. Fairly straightforward and easy to do. And what we are going to do now, so let's go back to the bookings page and go here. So let's test this out. Hi Nina, this is Riley. I am looking to do a teeth whitening. Yes, Yes, I am. Yes. Which availability do you have? Check for the earliest available slots, please. Let's do January 30th. Sure. So my first name is Riley. It's Riely. Hi Nina, this is Raiz. I would like to make a dental appointment. Sure. So this is my first time visiting Weber's Dental, and I'd just like to do a teeth whitening. I don't have any specific day or time in mind. What is your earliest availability? I'd like to do February 5th. No, let's do February 3rd. Yeah, sure. So it's Raiz, and my last name is Weber. It's Weber. Sure. It is 775112. Yeah, sure. So it's raizweber@gmail.com. So I'll spell that out to you as well. It's RAEEZWPBER@gmail.com. Thanks. Bye. So, guys, that is how the AI sounded after we've done all of those things. Obviously, we do still need to make some fine tuning to make it work 100%. But for now, that will do. So, guys, if you are a business owner or a dental practice owner and you would like to have this type of technology added or implemented into your business, please feel free to click the link down below to schedule a free call with myself, free of charge, where we actually discuss how this type of technology can actually work best in your business. So, yeah, Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.